Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. I know it has been a long time. It's okay, we're gonna fix that. So I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, please do not make it your last. My name is Brandon Chang, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my long relaxed hair with no edge control needed, no gel, no extra wig installments, no extensions, just natural, so you look neat, polished, and classy all the time. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. This video, I'm gonna be needing my hair oil. I use this hair oil here, right here. I use this. I love this. I'm going to need a wide comb, a wide tooth comb to comb through my hair effectively. I'm gonna need a long tail comb. You'll see the use of this. I'm gonna need a hairbrush. I'm gonna need this. I don't know how to call this, but I'm sure you can find out what this is. Okay, there's hair everywhere. Sorry. I know you can find out what this is. So I'm gonna need a big rubber band and a small rubber band. So let's jump right into it. By applying a small amount of oil into my hands, rub it all through and apply it into my hair. I know I used to do a voice over, but today I decided not to do a voice over. So I'm just gonna rub it through my hair, not only at the surface, it has to be inside too, so it looks shiny, and also inside the line I'm gonna cut through, because I'll make a line at the center. You can do it without lines if you want to, but I love lines. I just feel like it looks like you took hours doing this. You know what? We'll just do this in less than 5 minutes. So the oil is in. I'm sweating so much. It's okay. It's not bad. So I'm gonna move to the next thing. I'm just gonna use my wide tooth comb to comb all through my hair, so it takes out all the tangles, because I don't like my hair tangling. I use a wide tooth comb so it doesn't pull out a lot of hair strands from my hair. If you notice very well, I do not have very thick hair. My hair looks thick, but to be very honest with you, it is not. So for my safety, I use a wide tooth small tooth comb now to create a line in the middle. I love creating lines, like I said. The sun is playing with my video, but it's okay. I love creating lines, like I said, because it looks like it took 5 hours making this. Meanwhile, you only took less than 5 minutes, so it's okay if the line isn't straight. I know you can make a straight line by yourself at home, but do not feel offended if mine isn't. I'm just gonna use this one and just smoothen this colors and that color. Okay, so this looks polished. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hold it like so. Just gonna hold it like so and comb through it. When I comb through it, I hold it like so to keep it in one place. I'm just gonna change sides again, comb through it while holding it, of course, so it doesn't. So I'm not gonna take my brush. This is now the use of this brush, and brush the back first, so the back looks neat as so. The back has to look neat. Never neglect the back of your hair. Never. I know the front is where people see first, and the back they almost never see it. But never, as a lady, as a classy lady who wants to look polished and like she did so much to achieve this hairstyle, you should never ever ignore the back of your hair. I'm sorry, I'm sweating so much. The sun in Cameroon is crazy, guys. It's crazy over here. Oh my god, it's so crazy. So I'm just gonna brush it all through so it looks smooth like so. Also, guys, remember my hair is relaxed. although it isn't freshly relaxed, I relaxed it like about a month ago or something. So I'm just gonna take the big band. I'm just gonna wrap it like so. I'm just gonna, you know, and then pull it together. Okay. So this looks good. This looks all right. In my opinion, this looks. So this is where this thing comes in. This thing that I did not know its name. I bought it at a local store, so there is no description, no link to find this on any site. I do not know where you can find this on a site, but I'm sure you can look for it and find it. So I'm just gonna take it like so, and put it in my head, like so. You see? So it says like so. So I open it. I have to separate it like so, so it covers all of this. I have to separate it like so. And this beautiful comb comes back into the picture. So I'm just gonna do this. As you can see, carefully do it on my hair at the back, same thing, and over and over and over and over. I'm just gonna do this repeatedly, guys. I'm just gonna do this repeatedly to make it smooth. As you can see, and do not think I have forgotten the little band. This is where the little band comes in the picture. This little band is gonna trap everything so it doesn't loses off if you have a long day. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. I hope it doesn't cut. And just put it like this, carefully, so it carries down everything. Boom! Perfect. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video because this is a style you can wear anywhere. Church, school, name it, work, gatherings, on those lazy days when you don't want to wear a wig or braid your hair and you're just tired of everything and you just want to wear your natural hair like this. Remember, my hair is relaxed, but this can go with long natural hair. So hair type isn't anything. The sun is playing with my video, but it's okay. At least we've come to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Mwah.